Well, how y'all doing today? Another morning, back to day 2. We finally got our project trailer here at the house. Had our D group this morning, which if y'all don't know what a D group is, it's a disciple group. It's where we get together in the morning and spread the gospel and talk amongst each other. We got 4 guys that meet every Thursday morning at 8 o'clock. We did that this morning. It was good to hear the word, and I think we're in Colossians 4. So Colossians 1:4. I'm not 100% sure. You know, I'm still new to this, but did that done, and we got our trailer delivered while I was gone. So we are going to take this trailer and we are going to make it into a trailer that has walls and a roof, not metal, not wood, but we're going to put extended up 8 foot where he can put his crawfish cookers and some other stuff in there. And yeah, so that's our project. And while we were waiting on that, we decided to tackle putting new headlights in the Jeep, and somebody has completely gutted the headlights on this Jeep, so I'm having to rewire them. And yeah, it's been a debacle. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get this done. I gotta find some more connectors somewhere, and we're gonna get these Jeep lights done. But y'all hang out, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. What's that old saying? If it ain't broke, I didn't work on it. But these are broke, and I'm working on it. Then I found the one connector I need. Imagine that. All right, guys, appreciate it. Later. Bad deal is that it's way off in there. Now we got to get the heat gun. Whenever I'm making up electrical connections, I like to use these heat shrink ones. They tend to work a lot better. Alright, now we get to plug the headlight in. See if we got headlights. There's one, there's two. and they are working correctly. Which is awesome. Now I clean up my mess. Guys, I don't know if y'all have ever used one, but a power probe works awesome for doing, because you can find out, A, it's like a test lamp, but B, you can also add 12 volts power or 12 volts negative power. You hook it up to your battery, you got a little ground. It's really good when you're facing what I've just got over. I pulled these headlights apart and there were wires everywhere. They had somebody, I don't know who, boogered this thing all up. So a test probe, a multimeter, and some electrical connectors work wonders, and relays. All right, well, we're gonna put these back together. We'll see y'all in a minute. All right, well, now we're headed to the store to get some more connectors and also to get a headlight ring. So off to the O'Reilly's. Well, first things first, we got to get the key to the rolling turd, and then we're gonna go. One thing after another. I didn't know getting into this headlights that it would be such a mess. I also got to get some antifreeze for a Volkswagen. One thing right after another, and it's only day 2 of vacation. I still got 9 more days. This weekend, and what else do I got? This weekend, all right. Off to the store we go. We'll see y'all when we get there. On our way to the store, we're gonna take the rolling turd, but I wanted to show y'all something. We did get new mirrors for it. Also got a nice little cool antenna. And oh dear Lord, FedEx is showing up. What do we have here? Let's go meet the FedEx man.
2 hours later.
All right, there's our mess. That's what we're dealing with. And now we got one fixed, but now we got to rewire all of this because that ain't gonna work. One of the first things we had to do is get some more connectors, which we did. Now that we got them, all right, we're ready for the heat now. Lovely. See if it all works. Do. Let's see if they got high beams. They got high beams. We're good. So now, all we gotta do is put it all back together. And put these O-rings on. I laid them somewhere. Here they are. These actually have O-rings. Why? I don't know. They give me some little tie wrappices. All right. Back together. Before I do this, I ought to make sure they work. All right, we have fixed it. We can finish putting it back together. Need 2 more clips. Needs a little tapping. Yep. Thank you to the Harbor Freight. Now this big thing right here, this big light right here, it's never worked since I got it. And I found out why. So we're gonna get a fuse and we're gonna stick in it and see if it works. But it's gonna need new ends. So let's cut them off and put some legit ends on it. I'm gonna use some power tools on this one. That's lovely. Go ahead and drop it. And that's why we have magnets. Now, let's see if that works. Because if that works, we're in business. And I see it working. That's awesome. We are good to go. Pick up all our tools, put them in the correct spot. I do want to spray some battery cleaner on there because it looks terrible. It's also starting to corrode. By the way, this is just the start of this project. I just wanted to get the headlights because I couldn't see at night. And we got a lift to go on this. And we've also got some wheel spacers to put on it. We're going to do a 3.5 lift on it. But that's probably going to be after the first of the year. You pull this out and I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right. Well, that's going to do it for day 2. Wow, that's 50 minutes long. We're going to have to edit that down. That is day 2 of our mini vacation. Tomorrow, we're going to jump on the trailer and we're going to move this steel out the way because I have cleaned my shop up, making room for this project. Got cheese grater off the lift. Yep, we got a lot to do tomorrow, and then but we're gonna be working on this for probably the next week. It's probably going to be a while. It's going to be a lot of fabrication, so it's probably going to be a part 1 and part 2 of this. Something that I did want to point out, this right here. Let me move this light over here. I am trying out one of these. It's a cutoff wheel, but it's a diamond bit. We're going to try it out. I cut some rebar with it yesterday, and yep, we're going to try that out. In fact, I got to cut some rebar right now. But anyway, appreciate it. Remember, if it ain't broke, I didn't work on it. We'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. See ya.